Making your own anime videos just got so much easier. Hailuo 2.3 is here and whew, goddamn, the results are looking stunning. It introduces a bunch of upgrades over the last iteration. I'm talking better dance recognition and more complex movements, improved facial expressions and micro expressions. But what I'm obviously most excited about is the huge boost in visuals and stability when it comes to anime style videos. It outputs at 1080p and you can generate videos for up to 10 seconds long. So let me show you exactly what it can do. You know how these things work by now. You'll need to write out a text prompt of what you'd like to see. There's also the option of adding in a reference image too. I personally prefer throwing one in just because it provides a really strong starting point for the model to work with. In fact, let's start there, the reference image. We're of course going to use AI to do the hard work for us here, and man, are there a ton of options to pick from these days. In fact, ChatGPT, give me a list of available text-to-image Gen AIs. Damn, just look at that. And of course, ChatGPT puts his own model at the top. Cheeky boy. Joke's on you, ChatGPT. I'm using Nano Banana for this example. As always, be as specific as you can in your prompt. I like to start with the art style before describing the main subject of the image, talking about details like what they're doing, their age, what they're wearing, whether behind their eyes lie an unspeakable pain that spawns from many tireless years of desperately trying yet failing to live up to someone's cruel and unattainable expectations. Oh, and don't forget to describe the background too. Make sure to select 16:9, hit generate, and there you go. We have our reference image. Right, next up, we're gonna jump into VEED. In the AI playground, it's got all of the latest video models all in one place, which is super helpful for experimentation. Today, of course, we're using Hailuo 2.3. Upload your image, and once again, you're gonna write a detailed prompt of exactly what you'd like to see. This time it's for the video, so remember to include things like camera movements. Click generate, and now it's time to wait a couple of minutes while the model does its thing. I don't know, maybe grab a cup of tea or watch like 0.007% of One Piece. That'll be fun. Either way, it's done. Let's take a look at the results. If you want to give Hailuo 2.3 a go, check it out in the link in the description. And as always, thank you for watching.